Welcome back to the channel, Tech Enthusiasts. If you thought the Mac Mini had already reached its peak, think again. Apple is about to redefine compact computing with the upcoming Mac Mini M5. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know: confirmed leaks, rumored features, the powerful new M5 chip, design changes, expected price, and when you can get your hands on one. So whether you're a designer, developer, content creator, or someone looking for the perfect compact desktop powerhouse, stick around because this might be Apple's smartest upgrade yet. Evolution of Mac Mini. Apple launched the original Mac Mini in 2005 as a budget-friendly alternative for Mac users. Over the years, it has undergone numerous changes. But it was the M1 and M2 models that completely changed the game. They were small, affordable, and astonishingly powerful. Now, in 2025, we're entering the era of the Mac Mini M5, powered by Apple's most advanced silicon to date. Design leaks and changes multiple credible sources, including Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, and leakers suggest that while the external size will remain similar, the Mac Mini M5 will feature a thinner aluminum chassis, a new graphite gray color option, improved ventilation for enhanced thermals, a magnetic power connector, similar to the one on iMac. This design will make it both modern and minimalistic, while maintaining its small form factor, M5. Chip: the game changer, M5 chip. Built on a 2 nanometers architecture, it promises up to 40% faster CPU performance compared to M to 60% better GPU capabilities for graphics-intensive tasks. A massive leap in neural engine performance for AI workflows, better energy efficiency resulting in lower thermal output. This chip brings desktop-class power into a palm-sized package. Memory and storage options. Apple is rumored to offer base configuration, 16 GB unified memory plus 512 GB SSD, higher tiers up to 64 GB RAM, and 8 TB SSD. Expect faster read-write speeds, ideal for video editing, 3D rendering, and running multiple pro apps. Ports and connectivity. According to leaked schematics for X Thunderbolt 5 ports, 2X USB ports, HDMI 2.2 with 8K support. Ethernet 10 gigabits optional, 3.5mm headphone jack, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4. Apple is finally catching up on future-proof I/O while keeping legacy ports alive. Software integration. The Mac Mini M5 will run macOS Sequoia, optimized for AI and enhanced multi-display support. Features include AI-generated automation tools, Universal Control 2.0, Advanced Stage Manager, better app handoff across iOS devices. It will also support Xcode 16, Final Cut Pro updates, and machine learning frameworks out of the box. New features. Overview. Here are 10 confirmed or highly anticipated new features. M5 2 nanometers processor, Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, Thunderbolt 5 support, 8K HDMI 2.2 port, 64 GB unified memory support, macOS Sequoia optimization, compact redesigned chassis, graphite gray color option, AI enhanced workflows, improved cooling system. Benchmark leaks. Early Geekbench scores allegedly show single-core score 3,250, multi-core score 16,500. This puts it ahead of the M3 Pro and very close to the M3 Max. That's insane for such a compact machine. Price estimates. Here's the expected price range. Base model $799, Meteor $1,199, high-end 64 GB RAM, 8 TB SSD, $2,499. Apple may also offer student or creative pro bundles like they did with the M2. Release date. Apple is expected to unveil the Mac Mini M5. Event date: October or November 2025. Pre-orders. Then a week of announcement shipping, late November, too early. At December. Compact Mac ever. With its next-gen chip, massive performance boost, and future-ready ports, this could be the desktop for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop a comment below.